Like, it should be noticeable that it's defective inside the packaging. Like, you can see that it is defective. and cotton candy. I also love the little tail. So I gave it a 10. And then I pulled out this thing. I did the watermelon. I would just rate this a 3. It's not that good. It's like, it feels really awkward. I don't know what formula I use for this. And lastly, this. I rate this a million. Actually, no. I rate this 99,999. Because it's really close to the 100,000, because, I'm not going to say million, but it's really close to the 100,000 mark. The reason why I say this is because it came with defects, so that's -1. So that won't be a 10,000. And it has an air bubble. Somewhere around here. Oh, here it is. Air bubble. And it rises with the squishy, so that's why it's not -2. Okay guys, so we're going to screw this up. So next up is the slime package. So here's the slime package. It's really heavy, so I'm just going to put this down and let's see. Okay, so the first thing that I see, sorry. I know my legs are hairy. But anyways, the first thing that I see is this little extra, and it's a container of crunchy foam slime. And this is a little messy coming from Snoop Slimes. Ugh. And then here's a little star and the slime. I think it's really cute. I don't have a problem with this one. So, yeah. And then next up is this fat bag full of some slimes that I ordered. Usually her stuff comes in containers, but containers usually break out around my house a lot. And this was a Snoop Slime span. I forgot to mention that. So, yeah. So I ordered a Jiggly wedding day slime. And this is Jiggly, it's just not stretchy. It's got the crunch. Oh, see that glitter fine? It's really messy. So I would rate this a 6 because of how beautiful it is. And the next thing I ordered is a lime green butter slime, and I think this is a lime green butter slime. Let's just take it out. It looks like it's got some bubbles already, which it hasn't been in the package for that long. I hope. I don't know. But it is a really nice fluffy butter slime. It is super thick. And it has crunchy bubbles even if you don't stretch it. She had mentioned to me that this only had a little bit of slime in it. And mostly Model Magic and shaving cream and hot water. So, and glitter. So, kudos to you. Although the glitter kind of shows, not on camera. But this is really pretty slime. It's a little rough. So, it was really good at swirls. I'm going to rate this a 9.5 out of 10. I don't really care about the stretchiness, but it's a really nice slime. And it's really pretty color. It's exactly what I wanted. Yeah. So next thing that I ordered is Wedding Day Foam. Oh yeah, this one is not the same as Wedding Day, so maybe in shipping it got hard or something, but it is crunchy, and there is foam beads in it. I'm going to poke it. I want to see if it has good poking. Oh yeah, this is more like a putty. Not like a putty, but like a store-bought slime. The formulas aren't staying in very well, so I think I'm going to rate this a 4. She has better slimes because I've ordered from her before. Next up we have my white fluffy butter slime. I think it was, and I actually asked for it to be super clicky and glossy, which she did. I did not know. I said if you can. I did not know that you could do it to butter slime, and this has a really awkward texture. I've never felt a slime like this before in my life, and I mean it's kind of clicky. Oh, it pops every single time you touch it. That's a plus. I mean, swirls, they're okay. They make okay swirls. It's just really poppy, but not as stretchy. It's more rippy. I do feel the Model Magic in this slime. It's jiggly. So, yeah, I mean, that's not a bad slime. But she did tell me that she is a beginner at making slime, so I'm going to give her some slack, and I'm going to rate that slime a 6 for a beginner. This is melted. Oh, wait, no, it's not. It's just like, it looks like that. But anyways, this is my Winter Wonderland metallic slime, and it is so good. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. It's a blue metallic slime. It's like a light blue metallic with silver glitters. Ooh, this is a million. Wait. It's kind of got some clickiness, but still, it's super cute. It's a really cute slime. And it comes with more in the bag. It's like just like sticking to the bag. And it's got a little bit of foam beads in there. I think she did mention that all of her slimes have a secret ingredient. and it kind of skimmed because I was like, oh my god, it may be getting bugs in my slime, but I got a really good slime, and this one, the secret ingredient was like 2 foam balls. So she used like actual, some secret ingredients were like a different glue, and this is really thick, but it's really stretchy, and it has really nice bubbles. It's a really good slime. This definitely reminds me of Winter Wonderland and like Silver Snow, if that's a thing. Yeah, I'm just gonna zip this back up. I ordered a big, clear slime and I got this. This is the clear jiggly slime. And this is bad. This is bad. It just instantly turns into worms. It's not a recommended slime. Snoop slime saying you gotta make slimes like Snoop. This just is turning into snot. Just glittery snot. And I bought this big thing of this. I think it was a glue that she used because in her picture it was the exact same slime, like my slime. She takes videos of her making my slime, and I think that she had some dried out clear glue. So, that will have to do some fixing in extremely boiling hot water. And